Horses out, we have Che and Ryan. That's to begin. Moving up Arian. So now is Zerbay. Zerbay, the leader by about 2 lengths. Che and Ryan in second. Black Label in third. Admiral Contender is racing in fourth. Wind and Glory in fifth. Then followed by Love Minstrel, Break of Dawn, Shuttler's Treasure, and Fisher Champ is the early trailer. We have Zerbay by about 4 lengths. Black Label now moving up to take second. Che and Ryan. Trans back in third. Moving up on the outside for now is Wind and Glory. Together is Admiral Contender. And it's still Zerbay by about 6 lengths. And in second still is Black Label. Trying to get closer in third. Wind and Glory together with Admiral Contender, Che and Ryan. Zerbay still in front by about 4 lengths. Black Label still in second. And here comes Admiral Contender. Down on the inside is Wind and Glory. And it's still Zerbay by about 6 lengths. Admiral Contender in second. Wind and Glory, Black Label as they come down at the last 150. And it's still Zerbay by about 7 lengths. Admiral Contender, Black Label, Wind and Glory. But it's still Zerbay by about 5 lengths of Admiral Contender. And finally, Zerbay, Admiral Contender, Wind and Glory, Black Label. Then comes Che and Ryan.
There you have it. 85374 and official.